Okay, let us start, and the rest of experts, I hope, will join us in process. Hello, dear colleagues. My name is Anna. I work for International Department of Worldskills Russia, and today we're together with our drone operating or aerial robotics experts held a briefing before the skills game. So let us start. Let us first of all look through today's agenda. At first, we will introduce ourselves. We will all get acquainted because it is very important to know each other while we are going to spend all together almost a week. Then we will listen to our plans, to skills game schedule. Svetlana, the chief expert, will tell us about skills game schedule. After that, we will all together assign roles and responsibilities of experts. We will talk about awarding and awarding nominations. We will also discuss test project, and in the end, you will have some time to ask questions if you have any. So let us start. First of all, I will ask Dr. Galip to say several words from the side of WorldSkills Asia. Dr. Galip, floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Anna. Hi, everyone. My name Ghalib. I'm from Malaysia. I'm the board of directors WorldSkills Asia in charge for competition. First of all, I would like to thank you, Anna, WorldSkills Russia, as a host for this meeting today. Also, I would like to thank all of you in this session, aerial robotic drone operating. I would like to say all the best to all of you uh, for this event, games. I hope this event will give a lot of motivated to you to have a lot of creativity and initiative during our pandemic to run our activity in training, in learning, in our institution. So we have this activity. We involve all the experts from all over the world, many countries involved today. So I hope you enjoy this discussion and to help our our youth in their area to develop their competency and skills, to polish up their competency and skills so that they become a good worker in future in industries in their country to contributing to develop their economy. So I hope all of us will discuss together, give a lot of good ideas to our chief expert, deputy expert, so that will this activity will be benefited and a lot of productive discussion, give a good productivity to this area, aerial robotic drone operating. Thank you very much again to WorldSkills Russia, to WorldSkills Asia, the secretariat involved in this activity. I hope we can hand to hand, side by side to work together. A lot of discussion, not too much tension. We have different time zone, different culture. So I hope with this type of discussion, using uh, platform of internet, everybody will enjoy. Again, thank you very much. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Galip, and thank you for this opportunity to host some skills in this competition, in this skills game. So let us go on. And first of all, I would like to ask everyone to rename your accounts in Zoom in the way name and country, so it would be easier for us to communicate. So I would ask our chief expert, Svetlana Solomatnikova, to Sveta, please introduce yourself, introduce your team, say several words to the experts, to participants.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Anna. So my name is Svetlana Solomatnikova, and I'm chief expert on Aerial Robotics Skill. And also I represent the COEX company as a sponsor and partner of WorldSkills Asia and WorldSkills Russia on this competition. So, and also I would like to introduce with you our team, our organizing team, Timofey Kondratiev, Lena Silverstova, and Nikita Bogatov.
Hello.
This team will help you to pass this competition and to get more experience. So guys, please turn on your cameras and say hello.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Nice to see all of you.
Great, great, thank you. So we are ready. We are really glad to see you, and our friendly atmosphere will help you to get the best result. So,
Thank
Anna,
you.
yeah.
So let us now get acquainted with all our experts and participants who registered for this competition. And in process, we will understand if everyone joined us today. So first of all, we have several roles and several options. This competition will be both for juniors and adults, and we also have some observers. Let us start with our observer, Mr. Ibrahim from Saudi Arabia. Are you here with us?
Yes, I am here.
Hello. Please say several words about yourself, maybe about your experience in aerial.
So I'm Ibrahim from Saudi Arabia. I was expert for aircraft maintenance for 2 world skill competition and 2 national skills in Emirates and 1 national skill high tech in Russia. I'm licensed for UAV for aircraft unmanned aircraft drone. So I'll be observer with you. I'll get the experience from you in the from the online WorldSkill. This is the first time for me actually. Unfortunately, I'm driving today, so if the line cutting or if the network not good, it won't be very clear.
No, everything is clear. We hear you. Thank you for your experience. Thank you for joining. Is it right that you participate without competitor, just as observer?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So let us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Nice to meet you, and it is great that you have joined us.
So let us check.
Thank you very much, and it will be my pleasure to be with you.
Thank you. Now let us check if all experts who registered for junior competition are here with us. Experts from Malaysia for junior skill. Hello. Are you here? I'm not sure. I cannot see Aerial in our meeting. Sveta, can you see?
So I see several experts from juniors category. So I see Philippe.
Okay, let us ask Philippe to introduce himself.
Hi everyone. Nice to meet you. So I'm an expert from St. Petersburg. Thank you very much for opportunity to take part in this competition. It's great experience, and I hope that everyone competitors will demonstrate the best skills. Yeah, I'm from St. Petersburg, the regional expert, and take part in several competitions in WorldSkills area, and so I wish good luck for everyone.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining this event. So Mohammed from Arab Emirates.
And from juniors category.
Good morning, everyone. So I am a part-time expert in global betting company in United Arab Emirates. I'm an expert in global drone operations, and I'm also expert in mobile robotics. So I'm taking the part-time job instead of the original expert. I'm participating with my competitor Mustafa, who has joined this competition several times and won the silver medal. I wish luck for everyone, and thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you. Glad to meet you. Okay. Expert of juniors category from Malaysia is not with us, as I can see. So let us get acquainted with experts of adults category. Nikita Labanov from Kazakhstan, are you here with us? Okay, Nikita Labanov is not here. Yulia from Russia.
Yes, I'm here. Hello to everyone. My name is Julia, and I'm from Moscow. And my competitor is Evgeny Shklyaev. He is from Ijevsk, a city in Russia. So I'm a manager of junior skills in Russia. So I provide a lot competitions there, and I hope to exchange the experience with you. And I'm happy to join to this competition. So I wish good luck to everybody. So I think that's all.
Thank you. Thank you. And you participate in adults category this time?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, I can see that Ricky from Malaysia joined us from juniors category. Could you say several words? Hello.
Hello, hi Anna, hi everyone.
Hi, Ricky.
Hi Svetlana, and hi to all the committee. Okay, I'm gonna be the participant or the expert for juniors. The participant will be Umaira. I'm from Malaysia, so I will just be the training for our participants. I will provide the training. I think that's all. I'm just gonna say. All right. Okay, and I will say good luck to everyone participating in this event. Okay, good luck. Best of luck.
Thank you. Glad to meet you. And also good luck to you in this event, in this competition. We have Eduard Kuznetsov. Eduard.
Yes, I'm here. Hello to everyone, and my name is Eduard Kuznetsov. My competitor is Sereshkin Vladislav. We are from Novosibirsk, and I'm a regional expert. And I hope that everyone can show his best practice. And I want to wish you good luck. And we thank you for this opportunity to participate. Thank you.
Thank you. Glad to meet you. Thank you for joining. Expert from Azerbaijan. to run?
Our coach in the lesson now. We are our team. Some builders team joined instead of our teacher. We are some builders team. Nasir, Amin, and Leila. We joined our teachers.
Oh, okay, thank you. Please forward all the information that will be discussed on this briefing to your teacher. And we will, of course, share the recording. And we have expert from India, Ashutosh. Are you here? Not sure that Ashutosh is with us. Okay, let us get acquainted with participants, with competitors. Dear competitors, would you like to introduce yourself? Please don't be shy. Let us again start with juniors category, competitor from Malaysia.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Could you please speak a bit louder because we cannot hear you?
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Oh, unfortunately, we cannot hear you. You can write several words to us in the chat. Sergey Zhiltsov from Russia. Are you here? I can see two Sergey Zhiltsov.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Sergey Zhitsov. I love Clever 4 and good luck.
Thank you. Good luck to you. Competitor from United Arab Emirates, Mustafa. Are you here?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mustafa Jamal from United Arab Emirates, and I am competing in juniors. Last year I competed in same competition, WorldSkills Asia, and I won the second with Mr. Subay. And yeah, I wish everyone good luck.
Thank you. Thank you and good luck. Let us come to competitors from adults category. Pavel from Kazakhstan.
Oh, Anna, sorry, before we go to the adults, so we have received a message from juniors competitor from Malaysia. So he provides introduction in the Zoom chat, and it's okay. So hi, Umairah, and he will join us for the juniors category, and he wish to good luck to everyone.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. So now we can go to adults category. Pavel, are you with us? Yeah, I can see Pavel in our meeting. Pavel, would you like to say several words about yourself? Hello. Okay, glad to meet you and good luck on the game. Vladislav from Russia.
Hello everyone, my name is Vladislav and I'm from Novosibirsk, Russia. So I wanted to say good luck for everyone.
Thank you. Evgeny, another competitor from Russia. Okay, Evgeny is not with us. And Vitaly. Oh, I also cannot see Vitaly. Elnur from Azerbaijan. Oh, Leila already introduced us several competitors.
Hello, hi everyone. Good luck. I am from Azerbaijan. To everyone successfully in this competition.
Thank you. And Nasir, would you like to add something from the side of Azerbaijan?
I wish good luck for everyone in this competition.
Thank you. We also wish you good luck. Do we have competitors from India in this meeting? Please introduce yourself. Tell us several words.
I didn't see them, unfortunately.
Oh, I also cannot see them. We should connect expert and competitors from India after the meeting, I suppose.
Okay.
Okay, thank you all for introducing yourself. Now we know who is with us.
Oh, Anna, I have one idea. We have an introduction right now. Maybe we take a common photo, big common photo with all.
Let us. Dear colleagues, please turn on your cameras. Let us make a photo.
I know you're waiting these moments all time. Anna, could you
yeah,
turn
sure.
on your sharing screen? Yeah. Okay,
Your
guys.
friends from the side.
Yeah, this is a very friendly moment to take a common photo with your smiles and good mood. So I hope you're ready. And we will take a common photo with all in 3, 2, 1. Just smile. Oh, just a moment. Okay, so Anna, could you help me please to take a common photo? I tried, but I
sure.
can't
I'm
do it.
trying to.
Yeah. Okay, and the second chance to take a common photo, guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, just smile. Great. And the last chance to take a common photo in 3, 2, 1. Where is your smile? Where is your mood? 3, 2, 1. Smile. Great, great. Okay, so this was our small break time. So, and we are ready to continue. And glad to see your smiles. Okay, Anna, please continue. Thank you.
Discuss the plans for the week of game.
Okay.
About the schedule, I will share my screen. Just a minute. So now you can see it, I hope. Yes.
Yeah, we see your screen. Yes, and we see the schedule. Come back, please.
Okay, it needs some time. My laptop works slowly today. So this one, please start.
Okay, I will comment this schedule. So as you can see, today is the first day of our briefing time. So our next briefing will be held in 3rd August, and it will be preparation days. So we have 2 preparation days, C-2 and C-1. It will be held 3rd and 4th August. On these days, we will discuss with you test project, and we will share with you the test project. So in the C-1 day, you will have a time for debugging. So you can send us your results, and we will demonstrate you how it works. The competition days will be on 5th and 6th August. On these days, we will provide the live stream with your results and comments from our site. Also, in these days, we will provide, we will assess 2 tasks. The main solution and autonomous drone coding. About this project, we will talk some later, and we will talk more. Don't worry about it. So after the competition days, we will have a finalizing days. And in these days, it will be days for experts and for skill management team. We will provide the assessment procedure of your working, of your results. And finally, you will know about your results on 16 August. It will be closing ceremony and awarding ceremony for all skills. This is our schedule. And per each day, we will have not more 3 hours per day, this duration. Also, guys, if you have any questions regarding to the schedule, you can ask into Zoom chat, for example, or later, or now by voice.
Thank you, Svetlana. Dear colleagues, do you have any questions now? Please share if you have.
And so, in what time we can choose 3 hours? We decide personally. I see something like that. I see in the PDF file that team can choose the time from zone. You know, you don't understand the question.
So as I understood, your question is how many hours do you have for performing the task?
No. Duration on each, for example, some competition days, 3 hours. Yeah. In what time it will be, because it's a different part of zone.
Yeah, so I suppose we will start at 11 o'clock by Moscow time every day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for your question.
Any more questions? Dear colleagues, please check what time it will be in your country. When in Moscow it's 11 o'clock, not to be late to the meetings.
Yeah, we will write this important information in the Telegram group. Don't worry, you won't miss it.
And I have a question to all our experts. Are you all added to the chat? Please, if you are still not in the chat, let us know so we could add you. I hope everyone is in the chat.
Yeah, I will share the invitation link right now in our Zoom meeting.
So if you have no questions concerning schedule, we have a question in the chat. Is competition just like last year, but without lift off?
Just a moment, I will. Just like last year, but without liftoff. Hi, Mustafa. So maybe you mean about the WorldSkills Russia national competition in September the last year. Yeah, we had programming model and FPV. So in this competition, we have only programming in simulator and programming on the real drone. But about it, I will tell you some later. And also, guys, kindly find the invitation link for our group in Telegram. The most important information will be shared on this chat, on this group. Okay, Anna, я думаю, I think we can continue because we have more information for our participants.
Okay, let us responsibilities of experts on this competition. Can you hear me? Is everything okay with?
Yeah, we hear you.
Thank you. So for this competition, we suggest you the following roles. It will not be, these roles will not be the same as in WorldSkills international competitions. We added some new roles, and we already have chosen, as you can see, we already have chosen a chief expert. It will be Svetlana. And we also have chosen digital skills game managers. These people will help with cloud infrastructure and all moments connected with digital part of the competition. And Svetlana already introduced these experts, Timofey, Nikita, and Helena. So we should choose sports break time manager. Svetlana, could you please define this role? What we
mean? Yes, so this is very useful role because during the pandemic time, during the online time, we should have sitting near a laptop. But for good health, we should to provide sports activities. And this role described any exercise, short exercises at the start of our meeting and in the break time of the meetings. So these sports activities will be good for save our energy and health.
Thank you. And do you have suggestions who can take this role? Who is the most active of all the experts to be sports break time manager? The experts of juniors category. Philip Battalion has desired to be a sports break time manager. Any more candidates?
We have two vacations on this role, because for juniors and for adults, it can be as a one person or two persons, for example.
So is everyone agree that Philip will take this role for juniors category? Any objections? Any more candidates? Okay. I also nominate Philip Battalion. Okay, thank you, Reiki. So let us discuss assessment group for juniors category. Svetlana, if I understood correctly, you suggest to include all the experts of juniors category in assessment group.
Yeah, I think it will be a good experience for all to discuss assessment criteria for the task and provide the assessment process.
Okay. All experts of juniors category are present in this meeting. What do you think, dear colleagues, dear experts? Do you want to be included in assessment group? Okay, silence means that everyone is agreeing, and we can go to the next row. We have one responsible for CIS system for all the competition, Mr. Harris Adnan. Thank you very much for supporting us on all the skills, including this one, including Aerial Robotics. Would you like to say several words to introduce, because we didn't ask you? Okay, I think Mr. Harris is for another skill in your category. If everyone is agree with this, let us go to adult category. And again, we have the same organizers team. It's the same chief expert and digital skills game managers. And we should choose sports break time manager. I saw in the chat, Julia Shishkanova wants to take this role. Maybe someone else. Any candidates?
I think that during our friendly competition, other experts will join to our sports break time managers and will share interesting ideas for sports exercises for them too with our competitors. Don't hesitate, guys. Don't hesitate. This is a friendly competition and friendly atmosphere.
Okay, and for now, we agree that Julia will be a sports break time manager for the first day, and maybe next days some other experts will have desire to be sports break time manager. Let us go to assessment group for adult category. Again, we suggest to include here all the experts. Any objections, any comments? What do you think? I hope everyone is agreeing to be included in assessment group, because I can see no objections. And responsible for CIS is the same for adults category. Again, Mr. Farid Adnan. Dear colleagues, let us look through this slide once more. If you have any objections, you have last chance to express them. Okay, silence. It's a good sign. Everyone is agreed. Let us go to another, to the next topic. I think it's the most pleasant one. For this competition, for this skills game, we will not have like ordinary first, second, and third places. We will have some new nominations. And I will ask Svetlana to describe each of these nominations and to tell how they will be assessed.
Yeah, so we have the same nominations for juniors and for adult categories. So these nominations, domain solution and nomination autonomous drone coding will be assessed by objective criteria and by marking scheme. So the task for this nomination will be described into test project. But also we have the very interesting nomination. This is a new experience for us too. This is innovation solution. So the more information about this and this description of this nomination, we will tell you some later when we will talk about the test project. But now the short information about it. The innovation solution, it's a nomination where we can choose the creative or unstandard solution for Gazebo Simulator or for working with a real drone. So this is a short information about it. And for experts also, I hope we can choose the best expert in the assessment procedure. So this is our suggestions for you. And also we will be glad to hear feedback from you.
Thank you, Svetlana. Dear experts, do you have maybe any comments, any suggestions?
Yeah.
Should we add
also
maybe
we
some
have
more nominations?
Yeah, thank you, Anna. I would like to add the same phrase. So also we have opportunity to add additional nomination. So if we will get the suggestions from you about it. We also open for your suggestions, not right now, or you have a time approximately 1 week before we start our competition. So it means you can think, relax, and write your suggestions to us in our group or directly.
Okay, please think over it. And if you have any comments right now, you can share with us and we will all discuss. Okay, I think no comments right now. And we can go on. So let us talk about that project. I will stop sharing my screen and let Svetlana to share hers.
Okay. Could you give me an access to sharing my screen, please?
I think you already have it.
Yeah, right now. Okay, so just a moment. Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So before we goes to our test project, oh, sorry, just a moment. Before we goes to discuss our test project, I would like to remind you about our Telegram group. This is the main group and all important information will be shared here. So many of you have joined to this group, but if someone from your competitors can join, please add them. Or also, if you have any problems, you can write on my email and I will help you, of course. Okay, test project. So the first of all, as you know, we have a 3 nomination right now. So, and we will talk with you right now about each nomination, and I will give you more information. So the nomination, the main solution. So this is the task with simulator, and all description of this task you will get on the 3rd August in our preparation days. The autonomous drone coding, you will get the task on the 3rd August too. So one moment of this nomination. So also you have a free time for performing, for performing this task. So it means that we will share it with you, the test project. You will perform the task at your home, and on our live streams, we will comment your solution and give you advices how to improve it, your result. So, and the last nomination at this moment, the innovation solution. This nomination was suggested by us to award competitors who suggest really innovation and creative solution. This should be the new solution for the task solving. It's can be for simulator, for Clover, or for boss. It doesn't matter. So, and I would like to invite Timofey Kondratiev, and he will comment this nomination, and he will tell you about what we need from you, what we expect from you to provide the good assessment process during the competition in this nomination. Timofey, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, welcome.
So, yeah, hello again. And so in order to assess the creativity or technical solution, we need a few things. First, you need to comment your code to give some comments so we can understand what is going on there. So for example, this function does this and some other information like this structure means this. And the other thing is you need to write a document with the concept of your program. So what is the concept? This is the idea of how you're going to solve the task. And we will assess, well, it should be a detailed document so we can read it and understand your thought process. And based on that, we can find out the most innovative solution or the most elegant solution. For example, if you do something very ineffectively, it is not very innovative solution. But if you have some effective algorithm, this is more innovative. So you need to do these things. And if we have any questions, we can discuss your programs with you, and you can give us more understanding if you have some doubts. So a few things, comments on your code, and you will give us your code and the design document or concept document of your program. So this is it.
I have one question about this task. Should we prepare the video about our solution or only documents and code?
Svetlana, can you comment on this one?
So regarding to the innovation solution, so we expect from you the text document, but also if you think that the video will be good for understanding, you can add the video too.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, and also this nomination regarding to the main solution task and the autonomous drone coding. So also we are open for your ideas, of course, but this nomination regarding for these two tasks. Okay, any questions? Okay, thank you, Timothy. Thank you, dear guests, for your questions. And also one comment regarding to the points. So I would like to remind you that all assessment process regarding to the nomination will be independently. So it means that on this nomination, we will have a number of participants who compete in this nomination, number of participants who compete in this competition, in this nomination, and a number of competitors who compete in this nomination. So you can choose one nomination, for example, or all nomination, and this solution depends only on your solution, your choice. So, for example, you can participate. For example, if you don't have opportunity to work with real drone, we understand that now it's time for COVID, and if you don't access to your laboratory, you can perform only this nomination using Gazebo simulation. And of course, you can participate in this nomination too. Okay.
Svetlana, I have a question.
Okay.
What does it mean, the free time for each nomination? And what is role of IP cameras that presented in PDF file. What time our competitors must be observed by another competitors or another experts?
So we would like to try the new way of the competition. So we have prepared for you the difficult task, and for our opinion, this task takes more time. For example, it can be 4 hours, 5 hours, and more. And also we have different time zones. In this case, we suggest to share with you the test project before the competition days, and you will have approximately 1 or 1.5 days for performing the task, prepare the code, and send us before the deadline. Deadline we will announce later. And during the competition days, we will provide the comments of your solution in the first day and in the second day too. So it means the hours of performing the task will depend only from your competitors.
Thank you for your answer. And about IP cameras, IP cameras, this must be only one camera or maybe more, and how much time must it be in on state during the competition day?
So IP cameras or web cameras required for your competitors when we will on our live sessions, only in this case. We don't have a proctoring system for competitors because our main idea is to improve your skills and demonstrate the good solutions.
Okay, I have understood. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
I have
Okay.
How about we send you the code for port B for those who doesn't have the real drone, and you can simulate it in your real drone, or that would be difficult?
Oh, sorry, Mohammed, your speech was some interrupt. Could you repeat, please?
How about for those who doesn't have real drone, send the code of the real drone, and you can simulate it.
Okay, so your question regarding to the nomination B, yeah?
Yes, yes.
With a real drone. So if you have a real drone, you should to demonstrate how it works. We will share with you the example about the result which we expect. But if you don't have opportunity to work with a real drone, you can't to participate in this nomination. You cannot compete on this nomination B. You can only compete in nomination A and C. And the result of this nomination, of nomination B, does not influence on the result nomination A and nomination C.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome.
I have to. I want to add some words about it. I think, to my mind, it is a new and good approach to the competitions, and it's very interesting. It looks like very interesting.
Thank you, Eduard. Yeah, guys, this is our experience. This is some experiments. And we would like to work with you in this format of competition, and also we are open for your feedback. and it will help us to improve our competition in the next time too. Okay, thank you for your questions. Okay, so go to the next. The main solution. So the main solution, and I would like to give you more information to provide some comments of our test project. So this is our test project, our PDF file. So this the main solution description. Here you can find equipment that you required for the compete in this nomination, and test site example of the task. So about my comments. So if shortly you should to have on this task PC or laptop with a specific technical specifications, a web camera, microphone, internet connection, and of course COEX Gazebo Simulator software. This task only for working with Gazebo Simulator. So in the test project you have description of the example for task, and if you participated in our WorldSkills Asia camp in May, you can see that this task and task from the camp was similar. So this is example, and task should be changed before the competition days, and we will share it with you the full information on the 3rd August. But the new task will be include the same skills that we taught you about during the Asia camp, during our webinars, and what was described in the test project. So what it was: experience in the Gazebo Simulator, world uploading, Aruka map navigation, QR code recognition, color recognition, text file creation, and LED strip working experience. So this is the skills which the new task will be include. So, but right now you can preparing for the new task. You can perform the current task in the example. So, and what we expect as a result. So competitors send the final code to chief expert before the deadline. Digital skills game manager runs the code on their own machine with comments during the competition days. And finally, experts will be provide the assessment using the marking scheme. And also, as you remember, we have two competition days. So it means that that task that you will have on 3rd August will have small difference on C2 competition day. So the task from the C1 and C2 competition days will be changed, but the difference will be small. Be ready. Okay, now my question to the competitors, and if they don't answer for it, expert will help them. So how to prepare for this task, guys? You can write into Zoom chat, or for example, by voice. How you will plan to prepare for this task? what about your advices to all?
Advices from experts are available or not?
Okay, we will wait 30 seconds. Maybe any competitors, anyone from competitors will answer on it, give some advices how he can plan to prepare it for the task competition. I imagine that competitors said to experts, don't say them, don't say them. It's my secret. Okay, experts, please help to competitors how to prepare it.
As you said before, this is a friendly game and there is no any secrets. All of basics about drones are presented at GitHub and the Gitbook of Copter Express. And some advices in autonomous drone is preparing structure of your program. If the task is presented before the competition day, and make some functions that will give you opportunity to save your time during the coding, such as color recognition basics, structure of variables, and etc. And about your mood and your behavior, be calm and try to concentrate on your task and divide it into some small parts, and it will be good for you. And you, I hope you will do your best for this task. And some question to you, Svetlana, about Gazebo Simulator, about the world. Should we create a new world by self, or some models, and some models will be presented and provided by you, by the management team? And about real drones, if we have such opportunity to use a real drone in second nomination, should we prepare some objects, color marks, QR codes, or etc.?
Okay, first of all, thank you, Eduard, for your advices to our competitors and experts about how to prepare it. Regarding to your questions, just a moment, I will answer on it some later. Yes, before we will finish with the preparation time for the nominations. So guys, Eduard gives you good ideas about information where you can find it. And also, I would like to remind you the good list of the information. This is an instruction to the competitor. So we collect all useful links for you, and it's shared with your test project, and you can use it and try to perform the task that we share it with you on these videos. So, and of course, answers for this question, use the parts instruction to the competitors, use the video tutorials. So Asia Camp from videos from March, April, and May consist information about the color recognition, QR recognition, and how to install the Gazebo Simulator. And also, if you have any questions, please ask your questions in the group. Okay, so before we will go to module B, I will answer for the first question from Eduard about the world preparation for Gazebo Simulator. Just a moment. Yeah. So just a moment. Yeah. So we now you have a 1 week to prepare it, to remember all features, all skills. For example, what that was described in this example, and you can use as example this task. So during the preparation time, before 3rd August, you should to create the Gazebo world by self. But when we will share it, the actual task with you on 3rd August, we will share with you the Gazebo world, of course. So, and also we will make a detailed comment on our briefing on this date about the test project, about the task description, about the Gazebo world, and about any changes and details. I have answered on this, on your question.
Yes, of course, and thank you. And about real drones, please.
Yeah, so regarding to the real drone, we have the task for real drone. Just a moment. Yeah, autonomous drone coding. So for this task, you should to have PC with Wi-Fi or laptop, web camera, COEX Clover, and flight zone. This is dimensions is a minimum, so you can use the big flight zone or some smaller, but you should to perform the task. The task example, it's to provide the autonomous flight using squared trajectory. So on the competition, we will share with you another trajectory, but all checkpoints, all description will be the same. So you should to provide takeoff, flights 1 meter or other distance, 2.1, 2.2, maybe 2.3, maybe 2.4, 5, and more, and using LED strip. Any additional objects on the flight zone, any additional equipment does not require it for this task. But maybe it will be useful if you plan to compete in the nomination number 3, innovation solution. It maybe will help you, but it depends on you, of course. So for this task, we have the basic requirements regarding to the flight zone with Aruka markers and autonomous drone such as a COEX Clover. And during this task, you should to demonstrate us web video server and camera view with markers recognition and coordinates, posting coordinates in each point. One post of coordinates for one point. Okay, Is it clear for you?
Yes, thank you very much. It's clear.
Okay, good. Welcome. Any questions, guys, regarding to the nomination B? Okay, we will share with you this presentation, this material, of course. And some words about this task. So what we expect from you, competitors should send the code and video to chief experts before the deadline. Of course, code in Python format and video maybe MP4. We will add this information, of course. And expert will be provide the assessment of your results using these materials, code and video. Some words about how to prepare it for it. So it's the same with our previous task. Please use the part of instruction to the competitors. So we have useful instruction about autonomous flights guide, information about how to assemble the drone, how to set up the flight controller. This is a text information. And also we have a webinar. This is a video about how to program drone, how to install the Raspberry Pi, how to set up the flight controller, how to provide safety rules, how to provide the pre-flight check, and more on this video. It is very useful and strongly recommend to watching. Oh, yes, this is a video how to program aerial drone. And also we will share with you video example about what we expect from you. So this video will be include working with drone and some criteria like this one. So during the preparation time, since now and up to 3rd August, you can train, use this criteria for performing this task and take the video. Okay, guys, now time for questions, for your questions and our answers. So what about you? What about your mood right now? What about your emotions? Is it difficult task for you or no? Maybe you have questions regarding to schedule or task or more. Don't hesitate to ask. We are waiting for you. When there is no questions, it means that all was clear or was not clear.
Could you repeat in nomination with simulator? Should we make the video of the Gazebo?
For simulator, no. For simulator, no.
The video only with the real drone. Yeah.
The video only with real drone. The video from simulator we will be assessed during our live stream. So it means that Just a moment, I will find this information. Yeah, so competitor will send the final code to chief experts before the competition days will start. And during the competition day, we will run competitor's code on our machine and assess the performance of the task.
Okay, thank you. I understand.
Okay, good. Oh, great. I have feedback from Mustafa. Okay, thank you, Mustafa, for your feedback. Okay, the question from Sergey, need to be shown live or recorded. So what is the nomination your question regarded? Yeah, so for the nomination, okay, in real drone, yeah. So in real drone, you should to use the video, and also the video should demonstrate your safety skills, so your safety rules. This is a pre-flight check that you demonstrate your battery level for 3S battery or 4S battery. Then you should to turn on the remote controller, and then battery will be connected. Be sure that your drone located into flight zone alone, nobody located there. Then several criteria regarding to manual flight. So arming demonstrating, kill switch, takeoff, stabilize mode, position mode, web video server, manual flight, landing. And this is when you finished your pre-flight checks, you should demonstrate your autonomous flights and performing the mission, the trajectory. So we will assess your autonomous flights, takeoff, hovering on the point, and coordinate posted, and landing. So also we will share with you the actual criteria, but you should to use this criteria as a preparation during your preparation time. Okay, other questions? Okay, maybe anyone would like to add something, some information. Maybe Anna, you will you plan to add something?
I think I have nothing to add. Just to ask once more if our colleagues have any questions. And if there are no questions, I suggest to close the meeting for today. And if you maybe have questions later, don't hesitate to ask them in the chat. Please make sure that you are in the chat once again.
Excuse me, some question to Svetlana or Timofey about innovation solution. So we understand that it is a secret part of the main task, and but in PDF file was written that it is necessary some analysis of big data and neural networking. Should we prepare some additional libraries or some packages that will help us?
So, okay, Timofey, will you comment this question?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I don't think you need to do that much work for that. So basically, it's just a document where you can describe in detail your program and your program as the other document with comments. So you don't need to do something very special for that. If you are using some additional packages, you can say that you are going to use these packages for these purposes, for these reasons, and just the way to describe your program as a whole. So I don't think you need to do something very special for that.
So I will add some comments from my side. We don't have the objective criteria for this nomination, because if we will have it, it will be difficult to choose the best result for this nomination. So it means that you can share it with us, materials that will help us to understand better your solution. So if you plan to use neural network, for example, or other packages or other software, you should to demonstrate it in the PDF file, text file, for example, or maybe video, or maybe other graphic demonstration. So the main idea of it should be understanding for us. It should be clear for us. So maybe we will provide some presentation regarding to your materials. So it can be on the last day of our competition. Just a moment, I will demonstrate our schedule. Yes. So for example, on this day, 7 August, during the assessment procedure, we will discuss with experts, and we accept the decision about the invite competitors for verbal demonstration, for real demonstration, for real presentation of their solution. Maybe it will help us to ask the questions to competitors about the decision and get more information from them. So now it's a question, this is an open question, and we will be glad for your ideas.
So it's clear. Thank you for your answers, and there is no more questions from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Eduard. Okay, guys, if we don't have any questions, I suggest to finish our meeting, and I would like to say many thanks all of you for this meeting, for your questions, for your interest, and I hope that during this time, during this week, you as experts and you as competitors will prepare it for our competition that we will start on 3rd August. And during your preparation time, you can ask us in our main group in Telegram. And also we will be glad if you share any ideas with us. because this competition is friendly and open for your ideas, and it's a really unique opportunity to change something and to suggest new solutions, new ideas, and it will be supported. Okay, guys, I see you on 3rd August. Anna, will you add something?
Thank you, Svetlana. Thank you for running and hosting this skill. Thank you, everyone, for joining it, for your interest, for participation. Please follow the information in Telegram chat. Don't hesitate to ask questions or to leave comments or suggestions if you have any. And see you already on Tuesday. Save the date. Don't forget to join. Zoom link will be shared in Telegram chat as well. Thank you. And you have less chance to ask questions here in this meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, no questions. So see you. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye. Oh, I see junior competitor. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you on August.